I hear woodpecker. Hey, what's going on? It's a beautiful Saturday. It did rain earlier, but the weather's finally coming around. Mid 60s right now, maybe possibly 70 today. So today we're gonna clean up a little bit around the compost area. I got some more compost to put in, but right here, I'm gonna give that a turn and a mix up. I've just been piling it on all winter. I don't have my tripod or my microphone or anything out. I'm just gonna do that and put some more cardboard in. Let me spin you around. Trying to do that slower. And I think I'm gonna do what I was talking about. I'm gonna take this stuff out. I'm gonna put this stuff over there. I'm gonna mix it all up. Have a nice mix. I have some leaves in a wheelbarrow. Bring them down into here. I did do a little tour the garden the other day. Ooh, excuse me, and for the heck of it, I planted 4 broad beans, 4 fava beans, and I did it real early in a grow bag just to see what happens. I wanted to wait a couple more weeks, but I want to see what happens in that one bag. The packet I bought, mostly all my seeds came from Baker Creek Seeds. Germination rate so far really good, except for one cabbage, but it was listed as low germination. But I thought I was gonna get more. I probably only got about 20 beans, 20 seeds, whatever. But hey, I'm gonna do some compost twisting, some cleaning up, and check you back in a little bit. All right, still back at the pile. Trying to make these videos kind of short. Maybe I was thinking of doing a bunch of short videos instead of a long video. Anyways, for this part, spin you around nice and slow. I decided once I fluffed it up, which I should have taken a video before I put everything back in, there was a lot more manure and a lot more of that stuff. I did mix the leaf mold stuff and that was the bulk bought organic compost from last year. I did mix that stuff up in here, and it's nice, it's light, it's airy, it's fluffy, it's gorgeous. Up here, I pulled the plastic off. That's what you saw over there. But this is the compost, basically, that I made. Let's see if I can focus in on that. Can you focus in? Oh, I get confused on my phone. Which, if you watch my videos, I get this yellow tone. It'd be awesome if somebody could tell me why I get that yellow tone when I'm inside. Yeah, that's even worse now. But anyways, this is the compost that basically was built all last winter. I piled it up all summer, gave it a couple turns, turned it into this bin, which is a 1, 2, 3. And I just woke it up. It was pretty smashed down. There was still some stuff. You know what? Let me pause this real quick. Look at that. I come right back in the same thing. There are some things that aren't broken down completely. Like this is a big old iced tea bag, but that's fine. For the most part, this stuff looks really, really good. Like I said, there's pieces of cardboard and sticks and stuff in there. And if it's real big or nasty, I'll just throw it over into there. And here, I threw some cardboard. This is the cardboard that was over there. Threw some more cardboard, some of the excess straw, hay, whatever you want to call it, that was over here. So, there it is. Everything's kind of turned around. I do believe I'm going to take a few scoops of this, a few scoops of that stuff right over there. And I'm going to amend my one bed because it really sank over the winter, and get it ready because I think that's where some beets and radishes are going to go soon enough. Hey, I'll bring it back. We'll check that one out. Okay, well, I'm running in between the raindrops here. It's raining off and on, but this is something I wanted to do today. I did get all the compost stuff, as you just saw, flipped around and all that. But I'll spin you around and show you this. Trying to go slow. So here's that little bed. I put the hoop house, froze solid. So I don't think it's going to be a good winter option. But I did want to make a video. If you guys haven't seen it, go back and look at the video of me making that little hinged hoop house. But a good thing is the frame itself. I can take the plastic off, which I think I'm going to do this year, mark it. But then I'm going to use that little sucker for, oop. Yeah, I can't ever zoom way far out. I'm going to use that little sucker for putting fleece and stuff on. Because right here, and this sank, man, it sank a good bit, you know? I mean, oh, it's a good 5 inches, something like that. So I mixed up some of my stuff, and I'm going to put it in here. Excuse me, and I'm going to get it ready because I think I'm going to bomb a bunch of radishes in here just for a quick crop, and then think about what's going to be in here permanent. And as loose as this is, and how it falls, and I know all the stuff I've been putting in there, I think this would be a great place for carrots. So I'm going to get that in there. I didn't think I needed a tripod because I didn't think you needed to see me shovel, but I'll hit you back in a sec. There's Lila. She's out playing today. Lou, what do you have? Lila, what do you have? Can I have it? All right, well, we're back. Actually had to go mix one more 5-gallon bucket. Originally in that wheelbarrow was a total of about 2 5-gallon buckets. And it's a little bit of horse manure rotted down for close to a year. Some of the leaf mold from last year, leaf compost, whatever you want to call that. Some bulk bought organic compost from a really good place around Pittsburgh. I'll have to find them, and I'll put a link to them down in the description. And some of my homemade compost, and I mix it all up. But anyways, spin you around is what I come up with. Oh, how nice does that look? And this right here, people see that thing is plastic? It's not. It's a piece of paper that jumped. It'll just compost down fine. It went from the middle bin into the finished bin. But I did pat it down, firm it a little. I'm not gonna put any hay or anything on there. But I think that's pretty ready for some radishes, which the seedlings are doing outrageous. So now I think today I'm gonna get some water off of these beds. I'm gonna get the gooky leaves off of these beds, and underneath is all straw hay. I keep moving onions that I find and just plucking them in. I put some those right there are leeks. So I pluck them guys in. And this bed's turning out to be a pretty cool looking bed. I'm gonna sporadic put some other stuff in there. I have more onions put in there that are over there if they make it. But I'm gonna get the plastic off. I'm gonna get the hay off. And then I'm gonna re-plastic them up because it is still gonna get into the 30s, possible high 20s at night. Anyways, let's see if I can do that. Oh, look at that. And I can do that. That's awesome. All right, catch you in a bit.